Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have done with the modeling part over here for this particular bedroom design over here. So let's continue with the texturing part over here. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is like, let's go into rendering, render setup, and let's activate this V-Ray over here, and let's set this to HD over here, force two-sided. So I have downloaded few of the textures. So very first of all, start with the floor over here. Let's go into material, press M. Let's go into this. Let's take a V-Ray material over here. Let's name it as floor over here. I'll take a diffuse. I'll go into the bitmap over here. So I have a texture that is for your floor diffuse. So I'll take this texture for it. That's your floor diffuse. Let's go into this, and you can increase or decrease its tiling over here. So whatever tiling you require, you can just take the tiling over here. Also I can give a bit of reflection to it, and I'll be adding a bump map, a normal map. So let's go into this and add a normal bump over here. Let's connect it with a bump map, and into that normal, go into bitmap, and you have a floor normal, and duplicate that. That's it. So definitely it's going to give you a bit of roughness over here. After that, select this for this part, for the wooden part. Let's again go into material. Again I'll take a V-Ray material for the wood over here. Go into diffuse, bitmap, and let's take wood diffuse over here. Go into this UVW map, set it as a box over here, and whatever variations you want, you can just give those variations. And let's give a bit of reflectivity. Same, I'll go into this, and again I'll add a normal bump, connect it with the bump map, and into that bitmap, and we have a wood normal. So I have added a normal map for this also in that way. So if you want to make it a bit lighter or darker, that can be done, or you can change the texture. I think we'll keep it in this way. This looks much better. Select this part. We also need to assign this texture over here. So we'll just go over here. I'll subtract this elements over here. So let's go into the material, and let's just assign the same material and give a UVW map. Or we can, if you don't want, you just don't give UVW map, just keep it as it is. That looks good over here. So we are going to assign same thing over here, and let's again give a UVW map. Just set this stuff. Wherever it is required. After that, select this. For this fabric, again take a V-Ray material over here. So name it as for fabric 1. Go into this bitmap and I'll go into this fabric diffuse. I'll just assign this over here. So if you want any other color, you can go with that, not a problem. Okay. After that, select this and again give a UVW map, set it as a box. Same for this 2 kilos. We are going to assign the same material for it. Just go into this and give a UVW map. Same for this. Give again a UVW map. Save your file. After that, select this part, go into material, let's take another material, go into the bitmap. So we have another fabric over here. Let's give this. So you can give a bit of a darker color over here, and let's give a UVW map. Now looks much better, looks good over here. So the texture is properly fitting, so make sure your texture is perfectly set over here. So wherever you require to add normal maps, we can easily add it. For this, again go into material, name it as fabric 2 over here, take a V-Ray material, bitmap, and let's add this pillow texture over here. So UVW map, set it as a box, material, same, set this as a box. So as you can see, we have also assigned a texture over here for this easily. Alright, so now again go over here, select this as this is your a curtain over here, so select that part. Let's again go into the material, a V-Ray material, let's name it as a curtain. This is as a curtain, and bitmap, let's take so let's just select this and give FFD box, I'm sorry, UVW map. Looks much better. And if you want to make it a bit look transparent, you can just go into the curtain, into that refract. You can just drop down the value over here to make it look transparent. But for now we'll not keep it transparent, we'll do it afterwards. So I'll again set it back to opaque over here as the same way. So select this part, material, and same wood material, set it as a UVW map. Alright. So now what I can do over here is like we'll be just giving a normal color to it for the wall part. So select this wall structure over here. So what I'll be doing over here is like I'll slightly put one loop at the base over here. So select this. So just exclude this part. Select the material. So let's go into the material. Take a V-Ray material and let's just call a color. We can just give any kind of a lightish color. So we can go with any of the color over here. Click OK and just assign that color for this wall. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see over here, we have assigned some textures over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.